So hi team, this is a video demo for our client request to allow the partner or what we call the affiliate on our side to update email information. So I'm here on the contact page or under contact CGI. So I'm using the partner or demo account for partner. So everything here you can edit in this except that for the email. So let's uh, run some tests. Okay, so let's change the first name. Let's change boy. So as you can see, it will automatically update test. So let's change test. It will update number. It will automatically update. So country. So we have to refresh the page for that. So we change that for Germany, I think. So let's check again to the account that we've edited. So as you can see, it is changed to Germany, except for the email. For example, let's do this. So let's edit this. Let's update this. It will not change. Okay, so even if we refresh the page, it will not change. So this is the client request to allow them to update the email of their prospects. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.